Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. In this video, we will check Shibnobi Dojo Swap. As you know, the Shibnobi decentralized exchange Dojo Swap is coming soon, and now we will check how it looks like. So one by one, I will show you the Shibnobi Dojo Swap, how it will work, how you can use it. So don't miss this video if you are holding Shibnobi token. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about cryptocurrency and Shibnobi token, so make sure subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. Personally, I love Shibnobi token. As you know, I am holding 1.5 quadrillion. I don't know about you, whether you love this token or no, but tell me in the comment section. As you know, Shibnobi token, their decentralized exchange, Dojo Swap is coming. After that, they will launch their own wallet, and then we can see Kusari blockchain. In 2023, Shibnobi token will enter into metaverse, so that's why I love this token. I will hold this token whether 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, because I believe this token can make me billionaire, no matter whether within 1 year, 2 year, even within 5 years. Because this is the newly meme coins, so for sure it will take time. Nowadays, Shibnobi token is facing problem with exchange listing. Exchanges are not ready to list Shibnobi token because of their total supply and number of zeros on the price. Although you know, nowadays, Shibnobi token just transfer the token from their marketing wallet to the exchange wallet. After that, exchange just sold the token. So this is the scam with Shibnobi token. So that's why I am saying Shibnobi token is just facing problem nowadays. Don't worry, be patient. If we become strong, if the community of Shibnobi token become strong, so we can solve these problems. So be patient, hold your token. Now let's check coinmarketcap.com. The current price is 0.14 times zeros 9292. In 24 hours, the price increased 0.91%. The market cap is not confirmed. The circulating supply is not confirmed. Although the total supply is 69.6 trillion. So the daily volume is 3 million. Let me tell you, this token is a multi-chain network. The token is launched on Ethereum. In future, they will launch on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Within 100 days, the token just gained about 16,000 holders. This is the great achievement. And then if I show you on each minute people are buying this token. This is the quantity you can check. In several videos, I talk about Shibnobi Dojo Swap, the decentralized exchange. So Dojo Swap is just coming soon. So in this video, I will show you how the Dojo Swap will looks like and how you can use this decentralized exchange. So this is the homepage or dashboard of Dojo Swap. Here you can see first look Dojo Swap by Shibnobi. Still the website is not available. So this video is just uploaded by Shibnobi. I'm just going to show you how you can use it and how Dojo Swap looks like. So in left side, if you see the menu, you can see swap and chart. It means within this option you can swap BNB to Shibnobi token, Ethereum to Shibnobi token, or Polygon to Shibnobi token. It means you can swap any token to the Shinja coin. And then you can check the live chart of Shibnobi token. And then we have farms. Farms means you can stake your Shibnobi token. Same like PancakeSwap. As you are using PancakeSwap, the farm staking category, so the same thing you can use this farms option. And then we have Shibnobi pools, where you can stake Shibnobi token in order to get passive income. And then we have Shibnobi Pet. I don't know about this one. Projects live on Shibnobi. Projects, as I show you in today's video, there are some tokens that are ready to launch their project on Ethereum network and Binance Smart Chain on decentralized exchange. So this is the same thing. Projects live on Shibnobi token. Those tokens, those projects that launch their token on Dojo Swap. And then we have CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Learning Hub, FAQs. At last we have lottery, Bridge. Bridge means if you want to convert Ethereum network to Binance Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain network to Polygon, you can just change the network. And then we have NFT market. So the NFT market is also launched on Dojo Swap. As you know, Shibnobi token will going to launch its own NFT, so you can find it on NFT marketplace. At last we have prediction. Dojo Swap will give you the opportunity to connect your wallet. Like we have MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet, and then Wallet Connect. So you can connect your MetaMask wallet in order to stake your Shibnobi token, in order to swap BNB or Ethereum or Polygon to Shibnobi token. Once you connect your wallet, and then you can select a network. In here you can see several networks, like we have Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon. So this is all the network. So you can check and you can select this network whatever you want. In this section you can check the chart of the Shibnobi token. This is the chart of Shibnobi token. In right side, swap option. You can swap BNB, Ethereum and Polygon to any of token, whether Shibnobi token or any other projects that are live on Shibnobi Dojo Swap. So this is all the usage of Dojo Swap, how Dojo Swap looks like and how you can use it. As you know, Shibnobi Dojo Swap is coming soon. And this was how you can use Dojo Swap and how Dojo Swap looks like. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Smash the like button to a new all-time high. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about Dojo Swap? And still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So this video is just end up here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.